What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Now today's video is well expected. We are actually celebrating Watermelon Day. Yes, who doesn't love watermelon? Raise your hand. Now exit. Serious note, today we're making a watermelon lemonade, and for people who are 21 and up, we will be making a watermelon lemon cocktail in just a few. So first things first, we got to get our watermelon lemonade made. This is not a recipe by me. This is a recipe that I just found on Pinterest, and I guess it's from the Midget Mama. So we're doing this recipe, and it's literally just a watermelon lemonade. I wanted to make sure that I celebrated some fun things this August with you guys, share some recipes that I'm enjoying. So hopefully this is a good one. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Your ingredients for this recipe are gonna be, alright, so first things first, you wanna take your 7 cups of water and your 1.5 cup of sugar with that 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you're gonna take those 3 ingredients and put those in a put them in a pot to boil. So my mixture, my water, salt, sugar mixture has already been sitting for about 5 minutes now. And while we let that sit, we are gonna go ahead and make the watermelon puree. Look how stinking cute this glass is. Oh my gosh, this watermelon smells so good. I do have seeds in my watermelon. Do I know how this is gonna play out? No, I don't. But I'm just gonna roll with it. And my shirt, you guys, is from the thrift store, and it says Sip Sip Hooray in celebration of today, Watermelon Day, and making watermelon cocktails. Alright, so we're going to take our 4 cups of watermelon and we're going to put it in the blender to blend it up and puree it. And once we puree it, we're going to throw it into this strainer here, and we're going to strain it so we can only get the juices. Yeah, the seeds won't make a difference, I don't think. Our watermelon is in there. I'm going to rake it. So I'm going to put my strainer on top of my measuring cup, and it fits nice. Nice. Oh my gosh. I'm going to strain it out. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh yes. So I'm going to go get a spoon to push this through so it can go through a little quicker. We're gonna alright, so now we're gonna cut the lemons up and juice them. So we need 8 lemons. Look at my lemons. Literally, I'm about to take these lemons and just juice them straight into the watermelon juice. So we're going to take these lemons, we're going to pop them in there. Woo. Ooh. Oh man, Louisiana, this is a self-serving glass right here. It's hot. Luna. What? You can have that.
Can I have some?
Yeah, it's good. I still have more watermelon juice.
Oh, it being cold.
I know, it's gonna be so good.
Oh man.
It could be a little tartar. Ooh.
It's good.
It's good. You're gonna take a cup, pop some of these ice cubes in there ahead of time. We're gonna take a splash of that. Take a splash of Malibu. Triple sec sounds good. Ooh, ooh, that smells so good. So we're gonna splash that strawberry peach lemonade cocktail, and we're gonna pour some of our lemonade into it. Voila. And then we can add a little umbrella into it. Let's go. Let's add the green one. If you want to spice it up. Alright, throw that joint in there. So we have a piece of watermelon to pretty it up as well. Throw that on the side. Twist it, dip it. Yeah, again. This is so good. It doesn't even taste like liquor is in here. It literally is refreshing. It makes me want to go lay by the pool and enjoy the rest of my day. Look at it. If you do make this, comment below that you made it, or you want to ask any questions of substitutes, let me know your thoughts and comments below. They just don't. I don't know. Let me stop. I'm about to go. I can't be drinking. I'm not even trying to be drinking. This drink is dangerous. Oh my gosh. And I have my reusable straw, of course.